Verizon says Oath is dead. Meet Verizon Media Group. Verizon said Tuesday that it's killing off its Oath Media brand exactly a week after it told federal regulators that the multi-billion-dollar company it built from its purchases of Yahoo and AOL was virtually worthless. Guru Gaurapan, who succeeded Tim Armstrong as chief executive of Oath in October, said Verizon Media Group will replace the Oath brand on January 8. Yahoo's iconic exclamation point isn't part of the new name. News of the rebranding leaked early last month when an Oath employee tweeted an internal email revealing the plans. The tweet was quickly deleted. In response, Verizon Communications incorporated that it was reorganizing itself to create three divisions: Consumer, Business and Verizon Media Group/Oath. But Oath disappears in Gaurapan's statement on Tuesday, which makes no mention that it had tanked, something Verizon acknowledged last week when it told the Securities and Exchange Commission that it was. Goodwill is calculated by subtracting the current fair market value of the assets and liabilities of an acquired company from the price that was paid to buy the company. Because Verizon had most recently assessed the Oath brand at $4.8 billion, the write-off meant Verizon valued Oath, including Yahoo.com and AOL. Common subsidiaries like HuffPost, MSN.com and TechCrunch, at just $200 million on paper. Verizon paid $4.4 billion for AOL in 2015 and $4.5 billion for Yahoo in 2017. Oath was supposed to be its big push into web-driven advertising, but the business never took off. It reported $1.8 billion in revenue in the third quarter of 2018, which ended September 30, well short of a course that would hit its stated goal of generating $10 billion a year in revenue. Google and Facebook control about 58% of the U.S. digital ad market. The market research company eMarketer projects that Oath will account for just 3.3% of that market in 2018, down from 4.1% last year. It's the second big declaration of defeat by a media conglomerate in just the last 2 months. In October, Tronc, which was created in 2016 when Tribune Company rebranded its spun-off newspaper division, said it was. As with Tronc, which was short for Tribune Online Content, the Oath brand drew widespread criticism when it was unveiled in April 2017. Oath. Tronc. New Coke. FAQ. Q. Is Oath Yahoo or AOL? A. Boat. What will determine success? A. Growth. What's the strategy? A. Build a competitive moat.